Hollywood drama adventure movie starring Leonardo DiCaprio, Virginie Ledoyen, Guillaume Canet, Robert Carlyle, and Tilda Swinton. It was based on the 1996 novel of the same name by Alex Garland. The movie was filmed on Maya Bay Beach in the Thai island of Koh Phi Phi Lu. The beach depicted in the film is not the same as the beach in real life. On the actual beach in Thailand, there is a gap between mountains. During the post-production phase, the special effects team digitally added some of the surrounding mountains. Maya Bay, Thailand is a part of the Hat Nofrat Thuramu Koh Phi Phi National Park and is situated on the Andaman Sea, in the Strait of Malacca, in the Krabi province of Thailand. The beach in Maya Bay is around 200 meters long and features smooth white sand as well as absolutely magnificent corals. In fact, the entire bay is one enormously gorgeous coral reef. The only way to get to the Phi Phi Islands is via boat, and you can either take a ferry or a speedboat to get there from Phuket or Krabi. There isn't an airport in Koh Phi Phi, thus the nearest places to fly are the ones in Phuket or Krabi Airport. Many boat companies provide daily trips to Phi Phi from Phuket or Krabi, and they frequently offer complimentary hotel pickup and drop-off. And these are the prices if you opt for tour packages that will include lunch already. The cheapest is around $60 to $200. A national park fee of 400 baht, $11.80 per person is collected in cash when you disembark at Maya Bay. The ticket also includes admission to Bamboo Island and the other Phi Phi Islands attractions. In June 2018, park officials closed the Maya Bay, citing tourists left behind rubbish, damaging plants, and boats anchored, destroying half of the beach corals. Maya Bay was closed for 4 years before reopening to tourists in January 2022. The beach was closed again for 2 months, August and September, during the low season, but it reopened on October 1, 2022. After barricading the entrance to Maya Bay in 2018, it was thoroughly cleaned of trash, and trees, plants, and coral were planted. Following that, work on constructing an entirely new tourism infrastructure in and around the bay began. A boardwalk was built to protect the sand and plants, and visitors will reach Maya Bay via a floating dock hidden behind the karst cliffs, which means boats will no longer be allowed to anchor in the bay. There will also be a swimming area designated in the bay and limiting the number of daily visitors to 3,000 per day. Except for Thai National Park staff, Maya Bay is deserted. It has a small shop selling snacks and drinks, and restrooms are located near the path where you first disembark at Lo Sama Bay. There are no hotels at Maya Bay or Phi Phi Le, but you can stay on nearby Phi Phi Don. If you want to spend some extra time exploring all of the sites on the Phi Phi Islands, this is a great option. There are plenty of hotels and accommodations to choose from, but I will recommend these four. 1. The Zevela Resort. The luxurious Zevela Resort, a 10-acre tropical retreat on the northern tip of Phi Phi Island, offers spacious accommodations on the white sands of Lame Tong Beach. There is a private beach area, an outdoor pool, and a therapeutic spa center at the resort. 2. Phi Phi Natural Resort. This beachfront property on Phi Phi Island provides wooden cottage-style lodging. The Phi Phi Natural Resort has an open-air coffee shop and an outdoor swimming pool with a children's area that faces the sea. The public areas of the property have free Wi-Fi. 3. Say Island Village. A tropical paradise on a private 800-meter stretch of pristine white sandy beach lapped by the Andaman Sea's turquoise waters. The resort is located in the privacy of Lo Ba Gao Bay on the peaceful northeast coast of beautiful Phi Phi Island, surrounded by 70 acres of coconut palm plantations. 4. P2 Woodloft. Phi P2 with loft offers 3-star accommodation in PP Dawn, 200 meters from Tunsai Beach and 400 meters from Lamhin Beach. This 3-star hotel provides complimentary Wi-Fi. Certain rooms at the hotel have balconies with city views. Air-conditioned rooms with a desk, a kettle, a fridge, a safety deposit box, a TV, and a private bathroom with a bidet will be available to guests.